My words will be specially directed to you rather than to the other monks and brahmacharis who are senior to you. You have completed or you have started the training center which is expected to enlighten you with the ideas and ideals of not only the ancient scriptures but also the teachings of Ramakrishna Vivekananda. The ancient scriptures also are to be understood in the light of the life and teachings of Ramakrishna Vivekananda. Your life in the training center is a unique opportunity for you. In earlier days, we did not have that opportunity. We had the holy company of the direct disciples of Sri Ramakrishna, no doubt, which amply compensated our deficiencies in other respects. But the training center is a unique enterprise to provide the new brothers to be familiar with the scriptures, with the teachings of Ramakrishna Vivekananda, and putting practical application to those ideas in your life by practice of spirituality. This is what is expected to make a full person, perfect person, so far as it is possible for the organization. We do not know what you expect of us, your elders, and the training center period. But we know what we expect of you. We know we expect that you will take full advantage of your life in the training center and along with it be familiar with the ideas and ideals that made people perfect in life. Now, do not expect that we are perfect. Your ancient acharyas never expected that. As for instance, the acharya at the time when the training was to go out in practical life, he would say, यानि अस्माकं सुचरितानि तानि त्यावन करनीयनि न इतराणि. Whatever are good traits in us, they are to be emulated by you, not the others. So they are aware that they were not perfect. Do not think that you have nothing to learn from us. Our experience will help you understand your life and goal and the practical way of putting your ideas into practice. Now that is what is expected of us, of you. It is a unique opportunity, I say, because when the training center was, question of training center was mooted, there were many who opposed it, saying that our every center is a training center. But that has proved to be wrong, because we have to learn many things, and particularly their life in the community. You are living together and you have to learn from each other also. Otherwise, your community life would be meaningless. There are many things that you will find not up to your taste or suitable for your understanding or practical for applying them to life. But then gradually you will understand that they are of immense help as you go on, provided you follow the life period with earnestness and with the spirit of acceptance. Otherwise, the opportunity will be spent away without your gaining anything. The ancient teachings you are being taught have to be understood in the light of the life and teachings of Sri Ramakrishna and Swamiji. Without that, the ancient literature will make you only a pandit, only a scholar, and not gain by its experience, gain by its teachings. So, you be careful from the beginning. You are expected to learn everything, judge everything through the light of Sri Ramakrishna, Vivekananda. And there are many things that you will have opportunity to study. And those who have already studied them, for them to put those teachings into practice. Remember that life with only intellectual understanding has not got much value. Of course, you have to learn the ideas and ideals, and then most important thing is that you try to live up to it. Live up to the ideals, without which your training center will be meaningless. Now, to make best use of it, from the very beginning, you will have to be careful that you make good use of it and do not allow it to pass away fruitlessly. Sometimes the training center routines are boring to you. I know that. But that does not mean that you cannot get accustomed to the teachings. Gradually, what is difficult for you now will become your habit, and then you will see the beauty of what you have learned. I hope you will remember what you have learned and what you are going to learn in your later life, and prove yourselves worthy of the opportunity that has been given you, so that others may see the advantage of a training center. You are to go out with that Not that you are becoming perfect, but you understand your ideal and then try to put them in your practice, without which the life of a scholar or of any sadhu will be meaningless. Now I pray to Sri Ramakrishna, the Holy Mother and Swamiji to bless us all so that we may be devoted and loyal to them and gain the most opportune period that we have got in this life, all of us, because our whole life is a life for training, and this training center is a concentrated effort to provide opportunity for all of you to make the best use of it. I pray to Sri Ramakrishna to bless you all. Thank you.